Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. Shout out to you guys for coming through once again to another video. We have an unboxing today. Very excited. I think this might be one of the most, how can I say? I can say one of the most experimental, one of the most innovative sneakers of 2020 without a doubt. And I'm excited to see that. But before we get started, I know you might see like some sneakers missing out the back, only because the video that I'm dropping probably Friday or Saturday is kind of wrapped up in that. So if you see some shoes missing behind me, don't trip on it. I know a lot of y'all be looking at the kicks behind me, and you know what I'm saying, that's the reason why some of them are missing, so stay tuned for that. But speaking for unboxings, I've been unboxing a lot of heat the last few days, so if you gotta play catch up, go ahead and do it. Shout out to Hibbit for giving me that package yesterday. That hands down was the best theme package I ever got, like ever. Like when it comes to like theme, we did something for the N7 that was amazing, you know what I'm saying? So if you have not watched that video, go back and watch that from beginning to end. I was like completely amazed. But today, like I said, we got something different, very different, that I can't wait to give you guys an opinion on. All I do ask you guys is to keep an open mind and tell me your honest opinion. Watch the entire video, okay? Don't skim to the end, because a lot of y'all miss a lot of information. Y'all just jump to conclusions, so you know, don't do that. Other than that, man, y'all know the vibes, bro. We super close to 60K. We at 59,000, which is amazing. So if you have not subscribed, of course, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you know when we dropping these bangers your way. But without further ado, let's see what we got over here in the cut, man. What we opening up today with your boy Jones. Oh yeah, here go the first one, you know what I'm saying? But that ain't it. We got one more. Oh yeah, we got two of these, so we got a double unboxing for y'all. How many people do double unboxings in one video? I'm trying to come with the bangers. Smash the like button right now for the bangers. Double unboxing. Let me get a thumbnail real quick with that ugly face y'all always say I make. Okay, now that we got that out the way, we got two boxes. I believe it's like 4 sneakers in total, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna open these up, and like I said, I want to get y'all honest opinion, so make sure that y'all commenting down below as always. And I'm gonna just start off with the left first. I'm gonna start off with this one first, smaller box. Now these sneakers was actually sent over from a company called Rens Original. Now I know a lot of you guys probably don't know what Rens Original is, but this is what I'm here for. Not only am I here to give y'all the popular brands, I'm also here to give y'all the up and coming brands that y'all probably want to check out. And it just lets y'all know how I feel and my honest opinions about certain stuff that hit this table. I know a lot of times, a lot of companies I work with, you know what I'm saying, y'all might think I sugarcoat it, but believe it or not, if I say I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. There have been times where I said I didn't like it, and there have been times where I thought shoes was fire. But let's see what these look like, because I have no idea. Coming up with the first two. First of all, I like the boxing. The boxing looks completely different from any other sneaker. I'm looking at this right now, and it says World First Coffee Sneaker. Now, this goes into why I said that this might be one of the most innovative sneakers of 2020. Let me give you guys a rundown on Rens Original and how they actually create the sneakers that you about to see today. So listen, this is about to amaze y'all, because when they reached out to me and they told me how they make these sneakers and I seen how they looked, it amazed me. These sneakers are made from used coffee grounds and recycled plastic. I'm going to repeat before I show y'all, used coffee grounds and recycled plastic. So not only are these shoes cool, they're 100% waterproof, and they're actually helping the environment, which is crazy that you can even make sneakers out of used coffee grounds and recycled plastic, and they still look as cool as this. So let's check these out real quick. I'm gonna show y'all a pair. I'm not sure which colorway this is, but it comes with a card here. It says, "You are now a part of building a whole new sneaker generation. Sustainably meets streetwear, designed for urban explorers." So not only is this shoe kind of helping the environment, it still fits like that urban streetwear brand, so we can still rock it with some of our favorite models that we already wear, whether it be the denim or whether it be shorts. It'll still work in our everyday wardrobe, but it's just a different type of sneaker. Let's see what we got, man. Okay, this first one, I believe, I don't remember the name of this one, but I remember the colorway. I like this a lot. So here we have the first colorway. It's a low top, and one thing I liked about this was like that dark sesame colorway, and it got the hashtag on the front. The reason why they say the hashtag is on the front is because Actually, the people who created this sneaker is actually pretty young. So it's a few young guys over there. And of course, we live in a day and age with social media and everybody's interacting on social media. So they wanted to keep that theme going with their sneakers. So here we have the first shoe. This one is called the Wanderer. That's what it's called. It's called the Wanderer. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the second one as well. So very quickly before we even finish with the rest of the review, what I want to tell you guys before I forget is there's a few things about this sneaker that you absolutely have to know. The first thing is it's very light, very comfortable, and more importantly, this foam midsole makes it very, very comfy. Now, when I was talking to them, they told me some stuff that kind of blew my mind. I think I mentioned it earlier in the video, but something I had to see for myself. I ain't gonna hold you. They said it was waterproof. So I'm like, how can you make a shoe waterproof out of coffee ground? I just gotta see it for myself. So today, I brought some water, bro. You know what I'm saying? The great value, you know, we saving bread. But I just want to pour this on this shoe in front of y'all to see if it's really waterproof. Cause I told y'all, I'ma see if I bring it to y'all, I gotta see if it's true. You know what I'm saying? I gotta put on for the squad. So I'm gonna get this shoe close. All right, hopefully I don't get it all on the table. And I'm gonna get this water. And I'ma just do it, bro. I'm gonna go for it. Forget it. It's waterproof, bro. It bounced right off. That's crazy. So not only is this shoe waterproof, as I just showed y'all, when I did the on foot, I thought that maybe because the shoe was waterproof, it'll kind of be like a little stiff and have your feet sweating, but it's breathable at the same time. And I think the dopest part about all this is even though it's made out of coffee grounds and recycled plastic, it has no odor. So when you smell it, it smells like nothing at all. Or it just smells like that new shoe smell that I love so much. By the way, if they had new shoe smell for like cars, that would definitely be my scent in the whip. That's on dog. I would definitely have that. Now all of these I pretty much got in my size, which is that size 12. And I want to briefly talk about how I think these are. Number one, I like that they have no lace system because these are like kind of like slide and go. It kind of reminds me of the For Real Human Race a lot when it comes to like this upper and just this nice foam soft midsole right here. Definitely like this colorway. Like I said, it's super easy. It's a nice sesame brown and black. I'm not sure which one this is. This is the ocean blue. I thought the ocean blue was pretty cool too. You know, I gotta have my flavors. You know what I'm saying? I gotta have my flavors. So the ocean blue is coming in once again as well. And just give me that Golden State Warriors colorway, okay? This is that Golden State Warriors vibe. This is like one of those shoes that you'll wear to the Oracle, well, the Chase Bank Arena now. But here you have the ocean blue. You see the ocean blue, it kind of got like the white on the uppers right there. And it also has that gold hashtag that you'll usually see. And on the outer show, it's white and gold as well. But this one is called the Ocean Blue. The one before is called the Wanderer. As you can see, they pretty much are all standard the same style. And one thing I can say about these, I haven't tried them on yet. I will be trying them on. But it looks very comfortable, and this foam material on the midsole feels great. I'm not gonna cap. The foam material feels great. I do like how they have the sock liner up here, kind of like a snug fit. Like I said, once again, you can probably slip these on and be right up out the door. I will make sure I tell you guys about the fit. Are they true to size? Go half size up, half size down. I do know for sure these shoes do retail for $120, which is a great deal because $120 is not nowhere near expensive. And on top of that, like I said, guys, these shoes are being used to help recycle and help benefit. So it's definitely a great opportunity for you guys to just do something different if you wanted something different, non-expensive. And we still got two more to open up. So let's get this one up here. I'm very surprised. Like when I seen these on the call we did like a Zoom call. I knew that these would be pretty cool, but I had no idea that the actual material would feel this good. I didn't know the uppers would feel so good. I didn't know the foam would be so soft. And they definitely surprised me with the boxing. I really do love the box as well. Here we go, the next two pair of shoes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Ocean Blue and then I'm gonna take the Wanderer, put those to the side and open up the next two boxes we got here. So this one right here is I think it's like their best seller. This one is called the Stealth Black. Now you can imagine, you know what I'm saying, what type of colorway this would be, but this is a Stealth Black, also in that size 12. Let's see what this one is looking like. Yes, sir. Triple black, all black, everything. This shoe also kind of reminds me of the Balenciaga sock runner. And what's so crazy is, man, like I know we live in a day and age where like brand names is everything. I was talking to my boy. If Balenciaga was to make this same shoe, because it kind of looks like the same thing, right? You got this sock trainer, no lace system. It got like the sock-like upper right here. It got like the foam type design here. It just has Balenciaga across the side panel. And what I was talking to my boy was like, if Balenciaga was to come out with the same exact shoe and sell it for like $5,000, every rapper will wear it. Everybody who wants that status symbol will wear it. But here is a company who's only selling it for $120, right? And it's waterproof, and it still has like a nice urban look to it. You can still rock this with just about anything you rock anything else with, and people would hesitate just for like the brand name reason, which is stupid to me. I will never understand that. I do understand hype, don't get me wrong. I do fall into hype, but I do also understand like getting a bang for your buck, okay? And at the end of the day, if you can get something like this for a lot cheaper and it's a way more reasonable cause, then why not go for it? Anyway, this is that all black colorway, the triple black that they have. Like I said, this is the stealth colorway. You see the black hashtag. You can barely see it because it's all black. Can you zoom in, please? There we go. There we go. There go the focus. So y'all see that all black colorway right there. Here is the other shoe. This one is probably, I think, yeah, like they said, I think this one is their best seller, which goes without saying. It's all black, so I'm pretty much sure it's easy to sell. Then next up, we have another colorway. And I think this one was like one of my favorite ones. This one is called Passion Red. I really like the Passion Red colorway. This one was one of my favorites. Check this out. I like this one. Red, black, and white. Kind of give you that nice little Chicago Bulls vibe. White, red, and black. You can say however you want to put it. I like this one a lot. This one was dope. I believe this one, is this one a 12 too? Yup, all these are in the 12, so that's perfect. So this one is that white, red, and black colorway. You know what I'm saying? So you have 4 colorways. You get the white, red, and black, which is called the Passion Red. You get the stealth colorway, which is all black. You get the ocean colorway, which kind of gives you that Golden State vibe. And then last but not least, you get the Wanderer. Now guys, they even have more colorways available over at their website at rensoriginal.com. I will be linking that down below in the description of the video for you guys to go over and check out, because they even have more options, like I said, and they're even creating another sneaker. So this is only one model, okay? Like the Air Jordan 3, we get it. The Air Jordan 3 comes in like 40 different colors. So just like that. This is the same thing, guys. They have one model right now. This is the first model, and they have a lot more models cooking. So this is the Rens Original. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go out here and try on a pair of these and just see how they feeling on the feet, and let y'all know the sizing to go up, go down, go back around, whatever y'all want to do. And then we're gonna come back and pretty much end the video. Real quick too, I forgot almost, before we get up out of here, sizing. As far as sizing goes, now that we went over all the looks, I'm not really sure. I would say just to be sure, I would say just go half size up. If you're a 9, go 9.5, 10, go 10.5, so on and so forth. If you're a 12 like me, it's very hard to find a 12.5. So a lot of times we just have to settle for either a 12 or a 13, which 13 will be way too big in these. So I would say go true to size if you're a 12, only because 12 and a half is unicorn size. Actually, anything over a size 12 is like unicorn size when it comes to half sizing. So if you got 11, go 11 and a half, so on and so forth. But if you wear 12, you're gonna have to thug it out and get that 12 like your boy. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. Please comment down below and let me know what you think about the Rens original look. Is it something that you look forward to? How do you think you like them? Do you like the colorways? Head to the website and tell me if you've seen anything else that you probably like. I'm rocking with these colorways. I handpicked all of these colorways because I knew for a fact it was something that I liked. So, I mean, feel free to just, like I said, let me know what you think down below. Other than that, man, it is your boy, Sniper Jones. I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And, of course, you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.